Welcome back. In the last video we took a look at the stalemate, which is one of the ways that the game can end in a draw. Today we will take a look at the insufficient material, which is another way of ending the game in a draw. Insufficient material means that none of the players has enough material to win the game. So by the rules, if it's a king versus a king, then it's a draw. If it's a king and a bishop versus a king, then it's a draw. A king or a knight versus a king, also a draw. And a king versus bishop against a king, and a king and a bishop versus a king and a bishop. If the bishops are the same color, then that is a draw as well. So these are the rules that we will cover. Okay, so let's go here, let's go to our arbiter as usual, and then here we would have another function for insufficient material. And it will only take a position because it doesn't matter whose turn is it, so to say. So yeah, let's first get the pieces. So now I have the list of the pieces that are remaining. If I have only two pieces, then it's a king versus king, and it's a draw. And we return true. If we have three pieces and one of them is a bishop or a knight, then it's also a draw. Then if it's a king and a bishop versus a king and a bishop, so if the pieces are 4 and all of the pieces are king or bishop and the bishop don't belong to one person and bishop are the same color, so okay, I think everything is clear except maybe for this part and this part. Here I am getting the pieces and put it in a set. The set will automatically remove the duplicates, so if one of the players has two bishops, one of the bishops will be removed here and the size will be 3. And if the pieces are different, then it will be 4. And here I am checking, I will write these two functions, but here I want to check that are the pieces the same color, white bishop and the black bishop that is being found here, are they the same color or not? And this function will basically find all the pieces that we give to it. So maybe if white has two bishops, and then we would take the number 0. So let's go and write these two functions. I will get 2 coordinates from this, and this will take a position and a piece. So there might be more than a piece in a position, so I will write it in a result. Then I will go into the position and search for that piece. and here we will check that are these two coordinates that have been sent from here, are they the same or not. So if I go here, they will be the same color if I add these two coordinates and then get the modulus by 2 and it's even or odd. Then we can find out if they are the same color or not. So I can easily say and this can be a one-liner, so don't need to return. It will be returned automatically. Okay, let's go here, make it like so. Okay, I have this function now. Let me go to the pieces. Here, this can be an else, and here I can say just now let's log. Okay, let's refresh, go to the log, move like this. Now go here. Now it's insufficient. Okay, king versus king is working. Now let me grab a bishop versus a king. So okay, now that I move, it will be insufficient, which is correct. Then let's make it a white knight. Then after I move, it will be insufficient, which is correct. Let's have a white bishop versus a black bishop. Let's put it here. They're not the same color, so the game should continue, which is correct. So this shall go here, so they are in the same color. Now that I move my bishop, it will be insufficient, which is correct. Okay, cool. So instead of just logging it here, we need to do a dispatch, just like here. And this shall be coming from here. Then I need to go and define it as always. Alright, let's go to the actions, game. Like so. And also for the reducer. This should be like this. And it should work the same. So let me refresh, go here, give a check, and game draws due to insufficient material, which is correct. And if I say new game, it works exactly as the stalemate. So yeah, I think this is about it for the insufficient material. In the next video we will cover checkmate. So see you in the next video.